Yo, you know what? We've been working on something. Msafi documentary. This big project. This is a big short film that we are going to do. It's my first big project actually, and it's going to be dropping on next year January. Msafi documentary is about a boy mwenye ako na big dreams, mwenye ako na big ambitions, mwenye anataka kuachieve a lot in life but anatoka mtaani. Hii mtaani inampatia challenges, inampatia addictions mingi, inampatia temptations, inamfanya mpaka inaingia kwa crimes, inamfanya anaingia kwa drugs. But how do you think this boy is going to do the overcome all these challenges? Safi documentary is there to answer all this, and I guess that you guys are going to love it because it's a lovely project. It's an educative project, and this thing is going to be it's going to be on top. Msafi documentary coming out January. You guys should never miss out. Na muone venye boy enda kupitia hizo temptations until I make it apate hizo dreams zake zikuwa achievable. Adios.